Wherever you are seeing fx and fy, we have to calculate it as a negative. We have to calculate it as negative. See here like this: minus fx minus fy. Other external forces acting on fluid are P1A1, P2A2 on section 1 and 2 respectively. Other external forces like F is equal to P into A is there. Obviously, if you see in diagram, P1A1 is there. See here, P1A1, P2A2. Okay, these are external forces at section 1 and section 2 respectively. Now let us go to the derivation. Here P1A1 and P2A2 on section 1 and 2 respectively. Okay, now moment equation in x direction is given by, means overall moment in x direction. Okay, overall moment in x direction is given by net force acting on a fluid in direction of x is equal to, means overall force in x direction is equal to rate of change of moment in x direction. Okay, rate of change of moment in x direction. Okay, now what is net force here? See the diagram. Net force means what are the pressure we are having, that is P1A1 it is there. I have taken P1A1 here. Next, what it is there in x direction? See this rough diagram, it is coming in opposite direction. It is coming in opposite direction. So here I have to take P2A2 cos theta. Okay, P1A1 minus P2A2 cos theta minus fx. Minus fx means here, see here, this is coming in x direction. What forces are there, we have to consider there. That is P1A1 it is there, it is passing in this direction. Next, P2A2 it is there, it is traveling in opposite direction. So I am taking here as minus P2A2 cos theta. Obviously it is traveling in adjacent side, we will consider it as P2A2 cos theta. Okay, P1A1 minus P2A2 cos theta. One more it is there, that is force, that is fx, net force, overall force, how much it is there. What I said now, as it is acting in bending moment, means at the bending location we have to take it as negative. See here now, P1A1 minus P2A2 cos theta minus fx. Now rate of change of momentum, what is there here? Rate of change of momentum. Here one more formula it is, that is mass per second into change of velocity. This is the formula. The rate of change of momentum formula is mass per second into change in velocity. Here mass per second is nothing but rho q. Here I think you know this rate of change, and that is nothing but discharge, we can say. What we can say this one? This is nothing but discharge. Now obviously here density is important, because whether it is water it is there, or whether it is oil it is there, whatever the liquid here it is there, we have to consider here density, whether it is density of water, or whether it is density of oil, or whether it is density of petrol, or whether it is density of the diesel. Okay, next, discharge is nothing but, I think all of you know what is discharge, velocity per time. Okay, q is equal to av, you can say q is equal to a into v, that is is equal to area into velocity. Here change in velocity, final velocity in x direction minus initial velocity in x direction. Now see here, what is the value in x direction here? What is the value in x direction? V2 cos theta. Okay, now see here, V2 cos theta is there. Now minus V1. Obviously initial velocity will be here, you can say whether here you can say, or whether here you can say, initial velocity will be always 0. Students, please remember, initial velocity v1 will be always 0. Now make it as equation number 4. Now next, here same equation, what I am doing here is fx I am taking in right hand side, and remaining part I am taking in left hand side. Now see what will happen here. Here what it is there, v2 minus v1 it is there, so I will take this one v1 minus v2. If I am taking v1 minus v2 here, what will happen here, there will be minus, there will be minus. Okay, now fx is equal to rho q into v1 minus v2, because there how it is there, v2 minus v1 it is there. So if I am taking here v2 minus v1, then it is the sign is going to change, and this is all common, p1a1 minus p2a2 cos theta. Now similarly the moment equation in y direction, similarly the moment equation in y direction. Now if you see in y direction, in y direction if you see, there won't be here p1a1. Okay, obviously only the value here it is there p2a2. If you see in this direction, is there any p2a2? Nothing it is there, only it is there p2a2 sin theta. That is also it is traveling in opposite direction. See here, that is it is traveling in opposite direction, it is traveling in opposite direction. So p1a1 is absent here, so I am taking here as 0 minus p2a2 sin theta minus fy, and this is all common. And now here if you see, here v1 will be absent. Now here v1 will be absent, instead of v1 we have to take 0. You can see here in this diagram also, exactly in v2 direction, where we will get v1 here, this part is v1 is acting in this way, in this part v1 is acting in cross section part, that is 0. v1 is acting in 0, so there I am taking v1 as 0. Similarly solving this equation, uh, send this fy to right hand side and this part to left hand side. Obviously here what I have to do, first of all, uh, uh, if it is a v2 and this location is v1, if I am changing the sign here, this one here will be negative. Now fy is equal to rho q into minus v2 sin 2 sin theta minus p2a2 sin theta. Make it as equation number 7. Now to solve our derivations, means to solve our numericals, first of all we have to find force in x direction and force in y direction, and final part, that is resulting force. Resulting forces for fr is acting on bending is given by fx square plus fy square. Obviously see here fx fy, the resultant force what will be there in this location, the resultant force is equal to square root of fx square plus fy square. Here we are using the formula, like you can say, okay, I will show here a diagram for you. A, B, C. This is in opposite direction, this is in adjacent direction, and this is hypotenuse. At hypotenuse what will be the length here, square root of a square plus c square. Same here, square root of fx square plus fy square. Make this as equation number 8. And angle made by resultant force with horizontal direction, means obviously here if you see, it is having some angle, that is theta, you can say it is having some angle. To find that angle, if you see our previous sessions, means wherever the session it is there, here we are having sin theta cos theta. Sin theta is it is in negative direction, and cos theta it is in sin theta is in y direction and cos theta it is in x direction. So fx by fy is equal to sin theta by cos theta, means sin theta by cos theta means what, tan theta. Make it as equation number 9. Okay, students, hope you have understood today's session. Okay, and if you are please write this derivation in your notes today itself. All of you please listen once, please write this derivation in your notes, and after writing once check whether you have, if it is there any doubts, immediately you can contact me. And after 23, 24, 25 we are having quiz questionnaire session. In that questionnaires you may have, you may question me. Okay, whatever the doubts it is there, I will clear you. If you want to have any doubts today itself, you can ask, no problem. Already my WhatsApp number it is there with you. Okay, just pin to that pin a message to the to my contact number, and immediately I will respond for you. Okay, and reference textbook is RK Bansal, and the reference textbook is RK Bansal. Okay, thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.